$300 a day washing cars. The mobile car wash industry is experiencing significant growth due to the increasing demand for convenient and eco-friendly car care solutions. Depending on the market, prices range as high as $150 per car. Washing 2 or more cars in a day generates $300 per day or more. Starting a mobile car wash business requires essential equipment such as a pressure washer, water tank, commercial-grade vacuum cleaner, steam cleaner, buffer polisher, and a water reclamation system. Additionally, detailing tools, accessories, and cleaning solutions are necessary. Key players in the industry include Spiffy, Washos, Mobile Wash, Greensteam, and Detail Experts, each offering unique services and focusing on customer experience, eco-friendliness, and convenience. Mobile car wash services are praised for their convenience, customization, quality of service, personal interaction, and environmental benefits.